On est en terrain francophone ici ou anglophone? Mix. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles et Messieurs, bonsoir, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ACR TV. It has become a tradition to organize an end of the year party at ACR TV. We started a few years ago, but ACR TV is very old. Soon will be 10 years old. And we managed to make it through thanks to the support of each and everyone. And tonight is a testimony of the spirit of solidarity that is part of ACR TV. A team that is resilient despite of all hardship, we managed to survive. And once again, allow me to thank you for being here tonight on such a short notice. I know most of you have sacrificed a lot to be here with us. But we have a lot of people to whom we are particularly, we owe a lot. Those of you who spent time, money, to help us being here. Those of you who help us prepare the food that you're going to enjoy. And I see a lot of familiar faces here. And we are really happy. Happy and humble because without the support of the community, we wouldn't be celebrating soon 10 years of service. Since our inception, we set our goal to provide daily coverage of social, economic, political, sports, and cultural coverage of events that are unfolding in Africa and the Caribbean. And people came, people left, but those who are still here, those who recently joined the team, those who are bringing their experience, their willingness to see the visibility of Africa and the Caribbean secured in a professional manner, we do thank you. And I don't want to shock the humility of certain people here. I'm not going to name them, but you know who you are, those of you who really went above and beyond to help us realize this little festivity. First, we all would like also to apologize for starting a little bit late. I didn't want to go with the African time, and unfortunately, that's what happened. And I want to thank one of our colleagues here who initiated this activity, Doudou Cissé. He started Bonjour 2014, Bonjour 2013, and he's here with us tonight. I would like to invite him to say a few words. Doudou is not too friendly with English, but hey, I'll try my best. I'm not going to translate for you. Come on, Doudou. Doudou Cissé, I call him DSK.
Pourquoi DSK?
Dominique Soscan would want me to tell you. Doudou, once again, on behalf of ACR TV, thank you and welcome.
Oui, bonsoir à tout le monde. Je suis ravi ce soir d'être ici. Excusez-moi. Voilà, je suis un peu plus grand. Merci d'être là ce soir dans ce studio que je retrouve avec beaucoup de plaisir. Je m'en souviens encore comme si c'était hier. Comme il a dit en 2014, c'était en décembre 2014, pendant que j'animais l'émission Weekend Parade tous les vendredis, j'ai eu l'idée d'initier une soirée pour regrouper toute la grande communauté africaine, caribéenne, avec les différents présidents d'associations, les artistes africains que nous avons ici aux États-Unis, leur donner ce plateau pour se retrouver une soirée et échanger. C'est ainsi qu'est parti Bonjour 2014. Ensuite, l'année dernière, on était ici pour Bonjour 2015. Et entre-temps, moi, j'ai eu des occupations et je n'ai pas pu être là. Et il y a quelques jours, Jean Béliard m'a appelé pour dire, bon, on a une soirée de fête de fin d'année ici dans le studio. Je suis là ce soir avec vous, avec beaucoup de plaisir pour partager, n'est-ce pas, ces instants de bonheur. Voilà.
Merci, M. DSK. Round of applause. We've invited a lot of artists to be here. I don't know if they are caught up with African time, but fortunately, we do have some talented musicians that are here tonight. They are going to entertain us, and it's my pleasure to invite Mr. Bourvil to come and to start entertaining you. And once again, and welcome you here. And hopefully we're going to spend a real great time with ACR TV.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Bourvil is accompanied by famous guitarist Raoul Samson. Okay, please take a seat.
Merci beaucoup pour l'opportunité dont vous m'avez donné d'être ici et pour la première fois de participer dans une telle audience à la fin de l'année. Mais je suis très content de voir mes frères et les Africains et les artistes africains et comme moi-même. Mais ce soir, et c'est pas pour vous déplaire, je vais vous plaire avec quelques beaux morceaux et je vous souhaite une fois de plus bonne écoute. Et moi-même personnellement, lorsque je commence quelque part, et j'ai pu voir mon grand créateur qui a tout fait pour nous, pour moi. Et je commence avec une première partie qui est mon thème musical, I Greet the Heart, comme tu es grand. Nous allons écouter une fois de plus et bonne écoute. I Greet the Heart, comme tu es grand. Merci. Et il y a une musique là, je vais interpréter. Lorsque j'étais petit, bon, j'écoutais ça, mais ça, j'étais pas. Paraît-il que Dieu a déjà mis le don de la musicologie en moi. Et à l'époque où cette musique jouait à la radio, à la station, nous n'avions pas pu avoir la technologie et chez nous. Et moi, j'enregistre. Maintenant, quand je suis arrivé à maturité comme musicien, et je faisais des recherches, il y a une musique que j'aime citant. C'est titré Le cerisier au pommier rouge. Le cerisier rouge au pommier blanc. C'est le titre, mais c'est une vieille musique. Mais l'arrangement, l'orchestration que l'homme a fait avec moi, c'est réellement bien. Nous allons écouter une fois de plus Le cerisier rouge au pommier blanc. L'époque de la nativité n'est pas terminée encore, une fois de plus. Et il nous reste que quelques jours, 2 jours ou 3 jours, pour que nous sommes à la fin de l'année, c'est pas vrai? Il y a quelques beaux morceaux de Noël. Je vais vous offrir extrêmement bien classique. Je ne vais pas vous laisser partir avec ces souvenirs-là, mais vous allez écouter deux beaux morceaux de Noël. Écoutons. Dans mon répertoire, j'ai un chef-d'œuvre et ma composition, un classique. Et j'ai fait un arrangement énorme là-dedans. Mais c'est Raoul. Et comme on dit toujours en anglais, he's my mentor. He always do so much arrangements with me. We spend so many hours concentrated, notes to notes. And if that thing's not really good, I'm very strict on my perspective on music, especially when I'm gonna confront the audiences. I don't want to be any fight. I hate the mediocrity. I hate that. Je n'aime pas la médiocrité. Il faut qu'on fasse quelque chose de bien. Comme l'expression dit, ce sont les premières expressions qui comptent. Lorsqu'on va quelque part, il faut qu'on fasse bien. C'est la raison pour laquelle, lorsque je m'arrange avec lui, il fait bien. Merci Raoul. Et c'est ce morceau que je vais présenter titré « L'envol vers les cieux ». Écoutons, c'est mon œuvre.
let me say this. This music that he's going to play, so many people, after they heard it, they go crazy for it. So we made some kind of guitar arrangement plus. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. And just listen carefully to how the tunes are going to be played.
Thank you so much. Pay attention. Ok, je m'excuse, voilà. Dieu a tant fait pour nous dans notre vie. Lorsque nous nous sommeillons, nous nous réveillons, nous considérons le cycle de notre vie. Ce souffle de vie, Dieu nous a donné. Parfois, on sommeille, on se voit quelque part dans un autre monde. on est dans l'illusion. Pendant ce temps, le corps est là, on s'est parti quelque part. Mais si quelque chose arrive dans la nuit, on est déjà là, on s'est déjà parti. Mais pendant toute l'année 2015, c'était une année catastrophique pour tout le monde. C'était une année dure partout dans le monde. Kidnapping, des atrocités, des violences, on ne sait quoi faire. Mais lorsque ces signes arrivent, on sait que Dieu n'est pas loin. Dieu est à la porte. C'est la raison pour laquelle chaque jour on se réveille, on doit psalmodier et glorifier le nom de Jésus. Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait pour nous? Si ce n'est pas lui, nous ne serons pas là. Nous serons déjà dans la demeure du silence. C'est la raison pour laquelle le titre de cette chanson, c'est « Is everything to me ?» Il est tout pour moi. Quelles que soient les circonstances de notre vie, lorsqu'on a on dit « Oh mon Dieu !» On est allé implorer vers lui. Eh bien, écoutons « Is everything to me ?» Bonne audition.
Okay, once again, a warm word of applause for Mr. Beauville. Okay, after the first part, we're going to invite Mr. James, an artist from Liberia. He's going to entertain us. I don't know if the studio is ready to welcome Mr. James. We have another Malian artist on the way. Unfortunately, in our community, time is an issue. People don't really deal with time very well. Once again, we want to apologize to each and everyone for having started late here. But I see the back there in the control room. They are trying their best to come up with the sound for Mr. James. Why don't you introduce yourself briefly to the audience?
Thank you so much, CEO. It is a pleasure to just come and sit among my fellow Africans. You know, one thing I always say everywhere I go and everywhere I speak, I strongly believe we are all one people. Despite the fact, you know, we may come from different countries, but my advocating around is we are all one people. And speaking to you, my name is Menipele James Nohan, founder and CEO of Vision for Children in Liberia, serving children in Liberia, you know, and I also have a partner for Guinea. So we kind of like try to work together to, you know, like help children, you know, in Liberia. And my vision is one day it will be like vision for children in Africa, but you got to start from somewhere. So, so tonight, you know, when a best friend of mine from this studio called me, you know, on a one-day notice, he's like, Mr. Nohan, I want you to come in. I said, you know what? We are all African, and we're supposed to support each other. You know, if my brother having something, no matter even it's 1 hour to the time, call me, I will be available. So I told him I will be there. So I brought along with me my guest. He's a senior advisor to Vision for Children in Liberia, Joe's here. And also my project manager, Kakula Dumoe. And not forgetting, of course, my baby, Lakeisha McGee. So tonight I want to be doing a song, you know. It touched me because one of the guys that made his music, you guys may be familiar with him, they call him Lucky Dube. You know, the way he got killed, you know, it kind of touched my life, you know, because, I mean, this guy came to my country, Liberia in West Africa, and he performed on our stadium, you know, and we kind of like make friends, you know. But then after a few years, you know, he got shot. I mean, this brother he didn't do anything wrong, but just trying to give message around the world, you know, telling people how life is. But one song that he made, or he sang, that I like, I really want to sing it tonight in honor of him. It's called Remember Me. Thank you very much.
They are getting ready back there. I do have a few people here that I would like to acknowledge. Mr. You want to come in? Yes? Just a few words, you know. When you give a microphone to an African, you have to tell him, be short, because it can keep you until tomorrow morning.
Especially me, right? Well, all I could just say is thanks for all being here to support the great program that we have here. It's been going on for 10 years now. So I think this is the best thing that can happen to us. We always see others doing it. Now we're doing it. So all we need is support, and wish everyone a happy new year and welcome to ACR TV.
All right. He's really keeping it short. Once again, I want to acknowledge Dudu Cissé for having started this great program here. And I have a few people here that are really dear to me. This man standing on the left is the very first man who introduced me, Gaston Pierre Crispin, to the world of communication, TV and television in particular. He sat me once, I'm not going to say what year because it was almost like 25 years right now. And when I started with Gus, and we grew up in the same neighborhood in Haiti, and went to the same school, and he introduced me to the world of television. He started the whole station here. He set up everything. And thank you, Gus. I never stop thanking you for your contribution. A lot of people play great roles here. I have my co-host, Abdullah Endao. We have a show together called Interference. This is the biggest show in the African community people, French-speaking people. And it is with great pleasure that I'm going to ask Abdoulaye to say just a few words.
Merci Jean et merci à tous d'être venus. Je crois que
French, please. English, please. I mean.
English. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I know that a lot of people here speak English, so I'm going to acknowledge everybody who came here tonight to support this great endeavor that the African community is trying to put together. This is moving forward something that's going to be a trademark in what we're going to be doing together. So thank you for the support, and thank you all for coming. And vive ACRTV.
Thank you. Are you guys ready back there? Okay, and I'm going to give the floor to Mr. James. I'm not going to venture to trying to pronounce your African name, but I'll start with James. No problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, so guys, this music, it touched me, how this young man got killed, in Johannesburg. I mean, it's like, it was just so incredible. I mean, just trying to go somewhere with his children. And, one thing, according to history, there was one of the reggae men that was on earth that never used drugs, not one day. He never took drugs one day. Just doing the right thing, giving the right message, but just got shot for no reason. And that kind of really touched me, So that's why I kept this music. I always singing in honor of him. I'm ready, guys, if you're ready. Thank you, guys. And also, our CEO, thank you so much for the great work. I mean, it was amazing. One time I came, he called me, I came one night around 10, right? And, we did some technical work, and we did it together, and we kind of fixed the problem. And right there, he didn't waste no time. He began to interview me. I was like, wow. And it was great. And that piece of interview, it make a significant difference. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. That's music, This guy was a great guy. Lucky Dube, He was a man of inspiration and a man that spread a message throughout the world. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Man of inspiration. Just 1, 2. Hello? A great man. A man who lived a simple life on earth. Got shot. The street of Soweto, no place to call my home. I tried to find you many years ago, but the woman you married to was not good at all. That wherever you are, remember me. That wherever you do, I love you. That wherever you are, remember me. That wherever you do, I love you. Yes, may his soul rest in peace. Lucky to me. I love you. And we love you. A man of inspiration. I shot for no reason. Because of envy and jealousy. Why, African? We have to come together. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's what he did. Oh, yes. And he jumped. Look at Doobie. It's from me to you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you.
I have quite a few people to thank tonight, and I want to thank particularly Ulesi for having. I want to thank Ulesi for being here tonight. She's a very great supporter of ACR TV. We're still trying to recruit her. But and I want to thank Lud for being here and her daughter for supporting us. And thank you for everything that your support to ACR TV. I have an army of people to thank here. Idrissa Sila in the back. He came here last night. We stayed very late, and we had to clean up the place to make it really clean for you to enjoy the environment. My friend, Bosejo and his wife, who came here tonight, and each and every one of you, a newcomer to ACR TV, Miss Kuyate, will soon start a show here in Bambara for people from Mali. And I would like to invite the people in the control room, Yves Dossou, Yvan Duchatelier, the man who is making it possible for us to make ACR TV mobile and to access ACR TV everywhere, Mamadou Ndao, our Chief Technology Officer. And I'm looking for Miss Adama Diop, but she disappeared from our radar here. I don't know where she goes. Catherine Kujo. This is a great team with a spirit of togetherness, which ACR TV is trying to really offer the visibility that we tried. Adama, come in. Catherine. You want to say a few words?
Good evening, everybody. We are happy to be here, and thank you very much for the support. This is a new year. Wishing you all health first, happiness, money, and we are really hoping that you're going to be here more to support us. There's a long road ahead of us, but with your support, I'm sure that everything will be fine. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. She said it all. What else did I say? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I wish you all the best in 2016. We look forward. Today is not going to be the last time. If this is the first time you come in here, and please tune in to ACR TV. Tell friends and family, this is a great place for you. If you have business, anything. And don't forget, We look forward for your donation to make this place bigger and better. Have a happy new year. My name is Catherine.
Everybody chip in to make this happen tonight. Even those who came at the last minute, they part of the family. Abdul, thank you. Siddiqui, thank you. And if I may say anybody here, and I'm not going to attempt to thank our great talented musician who entertained us for with exquisite piece of music. Thank you very much. We have a couple of artists on the way. Unfortunately, like I said it earlier, we have a serious issue with time, and we cannot keep you too long. We kept you long enough. We have great food in the back, being prepared by Verlan, prepared by Lud, by, I almost say Poupée, Myrna. We really thank you. I really appreciate the support you're giving us. Yves Dossou is, I cannot call him my friend. He's my brother. We all brothers and sisters here. But
he's my big brother, so he take it. See how smile? Mess with me.
Yves' contribution is beyond, I would say, I don't know, I have a word to express my appreciation. We do fight sometimes, you know. There's certain things that we do not agree, but
we do.
We do have combative exchange, but this is for the welfare of ACR TV. Yves is the brain behind the whole operation. Like I said earlier, God started the whole thing. Yves came, caught the train in motion, but since then, he never looked back. Yves, once again, on behalf of the community, I want to say thank you to you. And
thanks to you all.
You've seen him when you came in, going up and down sometimes. He has a lot of energy. He eats a lot too, you know. I don't know where the food goes, you know, but hey. Anyway, Yves, thank you very much. I would like to invite Mr. Mamadou Ndao. Yvan Duchatelier is trying to hide here. The new administrator of ACR TV, Audelin François. Audelin, where are you? Mr. Mamadou Ndao. This is the Chief Technology Officer of ACR TV. You know, yesterday he graduated me as an engineer, so I gave myself the certificate anyway. Go ahead.
Thank you very much, and he got me today because usually I'm always behind. So, but you know, he called my name. I had to be here. Thank you very much, everybody. Happy New Year, and may the Almighty, you know, accept all your prayers and wishes for this year. Thank you.
Mr. François?
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. This is a pleasure to welcome each of you here tonight.